Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about this folding cot that you can use either if you're camping or maybe you need an extra place to sleep in your home and you can just store it away and bring it out when you need it. So let me show you what it's like. So this cot is 15 inches off the ground, which makes it very easy to get up out of it. It's not so low that you can't maneuver it. You have a pocket here to, keep your phone in and your glasses in at night. The head is at a 15-degree angle, so it makes it ergonomically correct that it'll help you sleep better. You're not lying completely flat. It's 73 inches long and 28 inches wide. Now, this really nice pad comes with it. On the top end here, you have a sleeve to help hold it in place here. And on the base at your feet, you also have straps to keep it in place. It's very easy to fold up. You're just going to push it in and it comes straight up. There's a strap here to help keep it together. Like so. You do have to remove the mattress pad. I provide you with a bag for easy storage. So you just slip it on. And so now you can either tuck it away in a cupboard and use it another time, or it's easy for camping. Nice cot. I think I'll be happy using this on my next camping trip. And that's just my honest opinion.